All right, in this question, we have three consecutive integers. They have a sum of -75. And quantity A is the greatest of the three integers, and quantity B is -25. So let's say the three consecutive integers are A, B, and C. Well, if you take the average, we know that because there are three consecutive integers, if you take the average of these three numbers, it'll be the number or a number which is right in the middle. If there are even numbers, of course, if there are A, B, C, and D, the average of A, B, C, D happens to be in between B and C. But if there are odd number of numbers, then the average will be the middle number which is in the list. Okay, so it says that A plus B plus C. Of course, they didn't say that it's A and B and C. I just made them up. We can just label them as X, Y, and Z if you want. A plus B plus C is equal to -75. But what's the average of these three numbers, which is divided by, +3, of course, because there are three numbers. Well, that will equal to -75 divided by 3, which is equal to -75. I'm going to actually use, if you want to, so this symbol here means subtract. We're not subtracting anything, we're just taking negative. So you have to just press this button here. -75 divided by 3. That gives us, actually we need to do it this way, 75 and then negative divided by 3. That gives us -25. -25. So the average of these three numbers is -25, and that must equal to the middle number. Okay, so B is -25. What then is the next number, the highest number here? It's consecutive, three consecutive integers, so this must be, I think, -24, must increase by 1, and this must decrease by 1, so it's -26. Okay, so we can see that the greatest of the three integers is -24, and quantity B is -25. Which one is greater? I think quantity A is greater because that's less positive. Therefore, of course, the magnitude of this is greater, but this is actually greater than this one. So quantity A is the answer.